Did you know that if you had invested just $100 in XRP back in 2013, it would be worth over $35,000 today? That's enough to buy a brand new Tesla Model 3. Today we're talking about this special XRP, its price history, and what the future holds for it. Stick around as we'll also compare it with Bitcoin and discuss whether XRP is a good investment. And if you're a beginner looking to invest in XRP, you shouldn't miss this. Overview of XRP. Alright, let's start by understanding XRP. It's a digital asset and a cryptocurrency. Not just any, but the brainchild of Ripple Labs Inc. Great man, another cryptocurrency. What's so special about this one, huh? Well, that's where things get interesting. XRP was created with a very specific purpose in mind: to enable secure, instant, and nearly free global financial transactions of any size with no chargebacks. Imagine you're sitting in your living room in New York, sipping on your morning coffee, and you decide to send some money to your friend who's currently exploring the outback in Australia. With traditional banking methods, this could take days and cost a pretty penny in transaction fees. But with XRP, that money could be in your friend's digital wallet before you've even finished your coffee. And that would cost you less than a cent. At its peak in 2018, XRP reached a staggering market cap of over $130 billion. To put that into perspective, that's more than the GDP of Kuwait. In 2024, XRP is still one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Let's not forget that XRP is backed by some serious technology. It operates on the XRP ledger, a blockchain that validates transactions through a network of independent validating nodes. This means that unlike Bitcoin, which relies on mining, XRP transactions are validated in a more environmentally friendly way. Founded in 2012, Ripple Labs has been on a mission to enable the world to move value like it moves information today, a concept they refer to as the Internet of Value. And I mean, with partners like American Express and Santander, they're certainly making waves in the financial world. XRP's price history. If we look at the XRP's price history, well, it kind of hit its first significant peak in May 2017. It reached a price of around 0.36. Might not sound like much, but this cryptocurrency was once worth less than a cent. So it was considered a pretty impressive leap. In January 2018, XRP reached its all-time high of 3.84. That's right, from less than a cent to almost $4 in just a few years. However, by the end of 2018, XRP had fallen to around 35. A huge drop, but still 10 times its value in early 2017. At the time of this video, XRP is valued at around 0.5183. Okay, let's put this into perspective by comparing it with Litecoin, LTC, another popular cryptocurrency. Litecoin was launched 2 years before XRP in 2011, and it too has had its share of highs and lows. In December 2017, Litecoin reached its all-time high of around 375. However, by the end of 2018, it had dropped to around 30. In 2024, Litecoin is valued at 83.88. So what can we learn from this? Both XRP and Litecoin have shown that the world of cryptocurrency is anything but predictable. Prices can skyrocket one moment and plummet the next. But through it all, both cryptocurrencies have managed to survive and remain relevant. The future of XRP. Alright, let's get back to XRP and look into the future. There's always an element of uncertainty, but if we look at recent trends and expert predictions, it seems that XRP could be on an upward trajectory. According to a report by CoinCodex, the price of XRP is predicted to rise by 19.45% and reach 0.592263 by May 29, 2024. Similarly, Changelly predicts that XRP could reach a price range of 0.3653 and 0.7442. Ripple Coin News also shares a similar sentiment, predicting that XRP may trade between 0.9520 and 1.18 with an average price of 0.9873. All these predictions do give us an idea of the potential growth of XRP. But the natural question that arises is, what factors could influence this growth? One major one is the adoption of Ripple's technology by financial institutions. As more and more institutions adopt Ripple's technology for secure, instant, and nearly free global financial transactions, the demand for XRP could surge. Another factor to consider is the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or just SEC for short. The SEC first sued Ripple Labs in December 2020, alleging that XRP should be regulated as a security. This lawsuit has been a major thorn in XRP's side, causing its price to languish under $1 for more than 3 years. The SEC argues that XRP is a security when sold to institutional investors, but not when sold to the public via an exchange. Confusing, right? This legal drama is expected to drag on until at least mid-2024, and the outcome could significantly impact XRP and its investors. A positive, or you can say favorable outcome, could boost investor confidence and potentially drive up the price of XRP. A good investment or not? So, is XRP a good investment? Well, the market is volatile and prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period. But like we just said, in 2024, XRP has shown some promising signs. So, there is a big possibility of growth potential. Role of BIS? Bank for International Settlements, BIS, is working with Ripple, and this collaboration could influence XRP's future. The BIS is proposing to connect national systems internationally to improve the speed, cost, and transparency of cross-border payments. I mean, this is essentially the mission of Ripple and XRP. As more financial institutions adopt Ripple's technology for cross-border transactions, the demand for XRP could surge. However, the latest developments around the BIS's Project Mariana have cast a shadow of uncertainty on XRP's future. The project aims to improve cross-border payments, which is also the goal of Ripple and XRP. If we're being totally honest, the outcome of this project could either boost or hinder XRP's growth. XRP versus Bitcoin. Moving on, let's find out how XRP stacks up against the titan of crypto, Bitcoin. We all know Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, introduced in 2009, and is a peer-to-peer decentralized digital currency. On the other hand, XRP, launched in 2012, is a fast and low-cost cross-border payment system developed by Ripple Labs. Today, first Bitcoin is equivalent to approximately 122,503 XRP. That's a lot of XRP for one Bitcoin. Bitcoin transactions take about 10 minutes to confirm and can handle about 7 transactions per second, TPS. XRP confirms transactions in just 3-5 seconds and can handle a whopping 1,500 TPS. Despite the technical advantages of XRP, I mean, come on, its price performance has lagged behind Bitcoin. XRP's price returns in 2024 sit at just 185%, while Bitcoin and Ether have gained 58% and 68-50% in the same period. Even more astonishing, the XRP-BTC pair has lost 88% over the past 5 years. While XRP has certain advantages over Bitcoin, such as faster transaction speeds and lower fees, Bitcoin has a broader adoption and greater market capitalization. Comparing XRP and Bitcoin is like comparing apples and oranges. Sure, they're both fruits, but only one of them makes a good juice. I'll let you decide which one that is. How to start investing in XRP. Now, if you're a total beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of XRP, here's a simple guide on how to get you started. First of all, choose a crypto exchange. XRP is available to purchase on most centralized crypto exchanges such as MEXC. So, do your research and choose an exchange that is reputable and has high liquidity. Then create an account. Most centralized exchanges require an investor's name and email to start. So, get the basics done with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next comes the step of funds. You can use a debit card or bank account to deposit funds into your exchange account. Some exchanges also allow you to deposit other cryptocurrencies, which you can then trade for XRP. Once your account is funded, you can buy XRP. Simply search for XRP on the exchange, enter the amount you want to purchase, and click Buy. Now wait. After purchasing XRP, it's crucial to secure your investment. This means storing your XRP in a secure wallet and keeping your private keys safe. We always say in our videos that you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your research, understand the risks, and watch some videos before making any investment decisions. You know this can give you peace of mind. And that's a wrap. So, what are your thoughts on XRP? Do you think it has the potential to surpass Bitcoin? Are you planning to invest in XRP? Or maybe you're already an XRP investor with some insights to share. Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on what is Litecoin and how to mine it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.